The word we'll be learning in this section is kaisatsu, which you will often hear in train stations in Japan. This is a handy term to know if you're navigating the public transportation system. The word kaisatsu means ticket gate. It's the area in train stations where passengers have their tickets or passes checked before entering or exiting the station premises. The first kanji means to change or revise and carries the sense of making something different or better. You see this meaning in kairyo, where it means improving something, and in kaichiku, where it means rebuilding or altering a structure. The second kanji means a tag or a paper token, like a bill, and suggests a small flat piece of paper or card. You see this in nahuda for a name tag that is literally a small card, and in satsutaba, where it refers to a bundle of paper money. A friend is at the ticket gate. 改札口に友達がいます。改札口に友達がいます。I pass through the ticket gate. 私は改札を通る。私は改札を通る。Wait at the ticket gate. 改札で待つ。改札で待つ。Exit the ticket gate. 改札を出る。改札を出る。The most common synonyms of the word 改札 are 出入り口 and 乗車口. 出入り口 means entrance or exit without necessarily involving ticket checking, while 乗車口 tends to focus on the boarding point where you enter a vehicle, most often used for buses or airplanes, providing slightly different contexts of usage. The most common antonyms of the word kaisatsu are deguchi and heisatsu. Deguchi means exit, referring to leaving a location, not necessarily involving ticket checking, while heisa implies closure, like when a gate is closed, which contrasts with an open or operational ticket gate.